last exercise is going to be the same thing we did last time at the end, and we had some troubles with this. Fortunately, we've talked about this in class today, just a little bit more. We're going to do keyboard interval identification. This is tough because it's a little bit more abstract. You don't get to see the notes, you don't get to see the language. You only get to see the keyboard, the digital keyboard up here, and that's tough. So we're going to limit this to some simpler intervals here. Let's get rid of the sixths and the sevenths. We'll keep the octave. We will do major second, major third. We'll do minor second, minor third, because we've talked about those today. Perfect fourth, perfect fifth, and octave. Okay. And so we're taking a look at this. Today we talked about the distances between an interval and how many physical piano keys are in between it. Okay. So right here it looks like we have an F sharp and an A. Okay. F sharp and an A. So if this is an F sharp, this would be our G, this would be G sharp, and this would be A. It looks like there's how many physical piano keys in between this? 2. Okay, there are 2 physical piano keys between which interval? The minor third. Let's see if it's right. Let's try another one. We have an F. Here's our F sharp, here's our G, and here's a G sharp. So we have F and G sharp. But we don't want to call this one G sharp. We'll call it A flat instead. Okay, let's call it A flat because we're not dealing with diminished and augmented intervals right now. So we have an F and an A flat. How many physical piano keys are in between this? 2. So again, we have a minor third. Let's see if it'll give us a different one. No, not yet. There we go. Here's a different one. This is a D, and this is an F sharp. D, E, F sharp. How many physical piano keys are in between these? 1, 2, 3. So we talked about today, there's 3 physical piano keys between a major third. You're going to go through these examples and get used to all of these intervals that are up here. There's only 6 of them. Okay? You should be able to fly through them the better you get at them. Okay? So we'll give it a shot and see how many we can do. We'll go up to 20 attempts on this as well this week. Okay?